In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change any language in TradingView 2026. If you want to use TradingView in a different language, the good news is that the process is very quick and straightforward. You don't need to adjust any complicated settings, and once you know where to look, you can switch languages in just a few clicks. To get started, go to TradingView. Make sure you're on the platform and fully inside the main interface before moving on. This is important because the language option is found within your account menu, so you'll want to be looking at the TradingView page itself. Once you are inside, direct your attention to the top left-hand side of the screen. This area is where you'll usually find account-related controls and navigation options. If you're on a chart page or the main platform dashboard, you should still be able to locate it without any issue. Now click on your profile icon. This will open a menu with several account and platform options. Take a moment to look through the list because the setting you need is located right there in this drop-down menu. From that menu, click on Language. This is the option that lets you customize the display language for the TradingView interface. If you've never changed it before, it will usually show the language currently being used on your account or browser session. After that, select any language you want from the list. TradingView offers multiple language choices, so simply choose the one you prefer. Try to click carefully, especially if you're selecting a language written in a script you may not be familiar with. Once selected, the platform will begin updating automatically. As soon as you choose a language, the page will load again. This refresh is normal, so don't worry if the screen changes for a moment. TradingView is simply applying your new language setting across the interface. Once the page finishes loading, the language you selected is already applied. You should now see menus, labels, and other interface elements displayed in that language. This makes it much easier to navigate the platform in the way that feels most comfortable for you. If you ever want to change it back, you can follow the exact same process again by opening your profile icon, going to Language, and selecting a different option. And that's all it takes to change the language in TradingView.